Sask, we handle every part. From the photos to the paperwork, we bring the buyer's heart. No time for time wasters, we got your back. From trailers to trucks, we're leading the pack. New or used RVs, yeah, we've got your ride. Prowler and North Trail, Heartland certified. Love, we're more than a dealership, we're part of your plan. Helping families hit the road across this land. So hang tight, we'll be right there. AutoNation Canada, beyond compare.